Welcome back to Hangar Modern Classics. It's a double entendre here at the hangar. It's Friday afternoon, and it's an important day for all the employees here at the hangar because, just reminding you, we don't believe it should be our most productive day. I thought I'd show you a couple things we got done. One of them being we got door latches in the car, so the door's actually closed now, which is nice. They stay shut. That's done on both sides. We got quarter glass installed, and it operates quite smoothly. We got back glass installed, and a whole bunch of other little projects. One thing we did, you like my trunk key here? There you go. We've got, car was missing a trunk latch assembly, so that I sourced that from some old stuff I had. We've got that in the car, and a bunch of the front end sheet metal is all back and painted up, ready to go. So we're progressing along. Another project here is bright work. I think there's like 9 or 10 different pieces of bright work on the between the front and back window. The car came with one, so I went through my my old stuff, and I think I can put together a complete set, and we won't have to use the repop stuff that simply doesn't fit. And as you can see, because it's Friday, it's you know, steak, taters, and gravy day here at the hangar, aka stag beer in the Midwest. So we're having some of that, and since it's Christmas Eve, it's the office Christmas party, so the entire staff here is going crazy. It's pretty off the hook, as you can tell. We got some George Strait going, so you know, I don't even want to comment on what they've done with country music now. It's like it's some kind of like hillbilly hip hop. I don't know what the hell it is, but anyway, fortunately George Strait's still some good stuff. So it's gonna be a crazy day, as you can tell. So for stag beer, at least the micro breweries haven't managed to screw that up the way they did Leinenkugel. I don't know if you've tried to order a Leinenkugel lately, but good luck with that. It's like ordering a Coke in the South. That was an experience if you haven't been through it. You order a Coke, and what kind of Coke? What do you mean, what kind of Coke? Well, you want a 7-Up? No, I want a Coke. Well, you want a ginger ale? No, I want a Coke. Well, what kind? I tell you what, give me an iced tea. Well, what kind? You want sweet or unsweet? Oh, for crying out loud, just give me a frickin' Budweiser. How about that? It's an excuse to drink beer. Leinenkugel, same thing. You can't get a Leinenkugel. You want a Hefeweizen? You want a Bison? Well, I don't want a Bison. I want a frickin' Leinenkugel. You can't get a Leinenkugel. People don't even know what a Leinenkugel is. I digress. So at any rate, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah to everybody, and if that offends anybody, well, I could completely give a shit less. So got my new sign here that my buddy's got me. That's pretty kick-ass. So you know, more improvements at the hangar here. So we'll keep you updated on Project Camaro, where we're continue to make good progress, and thanks for your interest so far. Merry Christmas, all that.